Hi everyone, this is Sandy Great with Creating with a Heart, and today I am going to be sharing how to make a simple gatefold card with you guys today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. I'm really trying to grow my channel. Second of all, I do have an Instagram. I am trying to get used to posting more regularly, but it'd be great if you went and subscribed to my Instagram, which is Creating with a Heart too. All right, enough self-promotion. On to the card making. I'm using Not Too Shabby Shop. I'm using the paper as well as this stamp, which came in the subscription box for, I believe, April. And it is this cute Milkshake stamp set. It's called Life is Sweet. It's just a little mini one. And I ended up really enjoying coloring this one. So it actually ended up was pretty fun. So I've got my little cheat sheet that tells me my measurements and put it over to the side. And this is a really simple one, a good one to, I think, use up some different colored pattern paper as well. So you're going to take a piece of cardstock that measures 5.5 by 8.5, and then you're going to score at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8, or you could do 2 1/8, flip it around and score it again at 2 1/8. That's what I do. And so then you fold it and you've got your gatefold. Simple as that. So then we go into going ahead and decorating it. So I've got this pattern piece of paper which measures, let's see, I believe that it measures 5 1/4 by 4. So then you're going to go ahead and I'm going to use a little bit of glue today, and a little bit of glue of course goes a long way. I just don't want it popping up. So, and I'm going to go ahead and put that down. The thing about glue is it gives you just a little bit of wiggle room, which is kind of nice, I think. So then we've got these two panels, and we also have the panels on the inside. So I'm going to do the these panels right here, and these measure, let's see, 2 by 5. So actually you can do a little bit less than 2. I think I did 1 3/4 by 5 is what I did. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue this down. So funny, my daughter is watching Alias. I don't know if you guys have watched Alias, but I remember when it first came out, and it's fairly old, actually. It's where Bradley Cooper got his start, and Jennifer Garner too. And because she's a huge fan of 13 Going on 30. And so anyway, she's watching it, and I remember I think we watched it on DVD, and we would watch a season or whatever, and then we'd have to go back to Blockbuster and get the next season. That was a long time ago, like almost 10 years, well, probably at least 10 years ago, more than that, I guess. God, I think it's been that long. I think I was living at my other house. Okay, so there's that. And then the inside, I'm actually going to do the reverse side of this, which matches my inside paper. So and there we go. That. Okay, there we go. So the inside, I just stamped Enjoy, and I'm not exactly sure what this measures. I think this was 3 by 3. If I had to guess, I would guess 3 by 3. And then I stamped Enjoy, and the Enjoy comes from one of the other stamp sets, I believe. So it's like that. And then what I did was I created a belly band. So I just took 2 pieces of paper, measured 1 inch by 6, and then I wrapped it around, and then I snipped it once it wrapped around, and I glued the ends, and I snipped the excess. So I don't have the exact measurements because it just depends on your your measurements. And then what I did was I just glued, and I kept it a little bit kind of loose because I wasn't sure how thick everything was going to be once I put it on there. But and then I just attached my image, or you could do ephemera, whatever you want to do. You can attach that right on the belly band. So then the person just takes the belly band down, and they open it, and it says enjoy. So it's just a little bit of an interactive type of element too, which I think is kind of cool. And so really, really easy way to make a gatefold card. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Crying at the Heart.